Hello everybody. Today we are installing our not brand new, what we believe is a VARIS kit. I don't really know. The bumper looks pretty authentic. The wing looks pretty authentic. We got all of these parts that you see right here, plus a carbon fiber save-on hood that's on Alyssa's car that you guys seen for $900. He was just trying to get his car back to stock to flip because he buys cars from auction and just sells them, and he didn't really care for any of this. So I was able to snag all of this from him. This has carbon fiber on the lip, carbon on the wing, and the carbon hood that you saw on Alyssa's car. The race car looks pretty janky, and we're gonna go ahead and fix that today. So me and Devin here are gonna be installing this new bumper, fenders, side skirts, wing, and then we're gonna take this car to Abraham and he's gonna redo everything for wrap. And then we also have wheels, tires, and suspension from Fitment Industries that we need to throw on. So it's hot out here. Let's go ahead and pull the car in and get to work.
Where is the key? In my pocket? Don't try this at home. I don't know why we brought this car to drive 40 seconds. I'm gonna ask him if he wants something. Oh, shit. Oopsies. I was doing work. Do you want something? Okay, I'm getting you mucho mango then. It's good, that's what it is. Do you want one? Thank you. You too. Red Bull truck. That's a sponsor that we need. Oh, we only drove like 20 seconds. It's okay. It's Scott.
What? Just butt dial me?
Yeah, you weren't by my butt though.
What the heck? Say
hello. You're in a video now.
You driving a race car?
Yeah, it's mad right now. Okay, well I gotta drive back to your shop, but I'll see you at Boba. We can take it through the touchless watch since it already looks bad, but it would probably fall apart. I'd probably come out with half the body panels missing. It's okay, it would help us since we're about to take them off.
That's true.
It's stock, officer. I don't get how this many people haven't tried this stuff. This is weird to me.
It's alright. Let's get back to work. Devin, why don't you go get the car in the air? Go be useful.
We have to put it in the air?
Yeah, for sure.
For what?
For the fenders. We're gonna knock this bumper off right now. We're speed running. Look at me not knowing how to use the quick release. There you go. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Do it, I dare you.
Bro, what is that? The intercooler piping.
That looks terrible.
Yeah.
What is this?
What I know is that this side skirt needs to come off. Hey, Devin.
Yup.
Make sure we get these skirts off first. They are not 10s, they are 8s. You need this 8mm, don't you?
Probably.
Where are you at?
On the other side.
Here. Oh shit, it's under the car, Devin.
Why?
No, it's
Why?
You can get it from where you were.
What part of that made sense?
It's underneath the car.
I could tell by the sound.
That's a lot of double-sided tape. Nice. Luckily, this tape's coming off.
It's just 2, right?
Yeah, should be front and back.
There's more than 2. What? There's 4? Ooh. A little bit of seasoning.
You gonna be able to get all your tape off? I got all mine off. Devin's getting smoked right now.
Actually, what happened was your 3M was not as dumb as mine.
Piece of junk fender. This car's made out of mystery hardware right now.
It's a Lego set.
Yeah.
But they didn't have the instructions.
We'll put it all on the right way.
I see zip tie. It's holding the headlight in.
Yeah, but there's also a f***ing bolt back here. Yeah, work on that zip tie.
Oh,
This bolt's like
okay.
flush. This bolt, bruh. It's sunken into the hole.
What? This is why you don't pull your fenders because there is no structure. Is that Oreo crumbs? Oh, wait, it went in more. No, it made it worse.
This headlight bracket can come off.
Okay. Headlight? Oh. God!
Yeah! I almost killed Devin, bro.
How does this go back? Oh, this is Legos.
See how this stuff fits now. I go first. There you go. Wow. Looks much better than the wonky ones. I don't know, I feel like it needs to scoot more towards me. A lot more. You're gonna have to use...
Oh, the fuck?
You're gonna have to stand up and like lift up. Up, 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 up. More up.
It physically can't go.
You got it.
Oh, I did? Over here.
This has duct tape all over it because it's missing a chunk of car. Alright, so let's just get the top on. Does this even work with this? Oh, it does.
Yeah, it does. Don't think we should do that. It looks right.
It looks right.
It doesn't look like it's off at all. I think it's less ugly.
Well, it's missing a chunk over there. That's not helping. Yeah, it looks like skirts are just self-tappers. So you need to grab the drill and the self-tappers.
Do we have any?
I'm going back.
These ones first, and then the edges.
Whoa, where'd it go? Whoa, why is it slipping?
There you go. Now you can ugga-dugga.
Damn, that snugs right up.
Oh my God.
Wow. This is gonna fly out on the highway. Oh my God. More? Did it come off?
Yeah. Go put it in gear.
Is it not in gear?
I put it in gear.
Yeah.
Oh, it rolls around.
Oh wait, it's not in gear. You're right.
What? You took it out?
Yeah, I had to when I started the car.
Oh.
Here you go. No, we don't drive this car every day. This
It's okay to have wired tires.
Temporary.
It doesn't go anywhere.
new wheels are here already.
That tire doesn't like.
Huh?
What was that?
This one's stuck on there. We gotta break it. Where's the
I
wrench?
just did.
Okay. This is gonna snap this lug. Keep breaking lug nuts. Careful, once it snaps, your hand's gonna go flying to the floor. You broke off the stud, right?
Yeah, I think.
Go catch the wheel. Ready?
Yeah. Oh.
Ready?
Yeah.
Good. Holy f***.
Hey, yo. I don't think it's going anywhere.
Why? There you go. There you go. That's fun. Another stud going bye-bye. Completely normal. They're pretty easy to change out, the studs on this car.
That's good.
Okay, other side. Broke. So broke. She's pretty, ain't she? Just like that, it's ready to go. Shatters the glass. There you go. Where you at?
I don't know what I'm
Go on the
doing.
other side. She's a race car. All done. Let's go buy some tape.
It's better.
Yeah, it looks crazy. All done. She looks good. She does. Holy shit. Bro. She's a race car. You like it?
Yes.
The lineup though. The over fenders aren't even on for the rear yet, or the coilovers. BRZ is all done. As you guys can see, K-Swap Turbo has a VARIS kit. I think it's real. I think it's just really fudged up, but looking real good, real spicy. Got the side skirts. Probably one of my favorite parts is the side skirts. And then the wing, the cherry on top for sure. So when we take this car to Abraham, he's gonna go ahead and fix a lot of this, and then we'll rewrap the whole car. And it still has Origin Lab over fenders from Alyssa's car that are going to be molded onto this body. So it's gonna be like a stock wide body car. We still have coils, and the wheels and tires that are on Alyssa's car right now are the ones that belong on here from Fitment Industries. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and never stop dreaming.
Oh.
Yeah!
Oh.
Yeah!